imagine there was a pill, and if you take this pill every day, it has certain effects on you. It actually makes you smarter. It improves your memory. It helps you age slower, your body and your brain. It brings your heart into synchronicity. It elevates your mood. If you have PTSD, oh, you can deal with those symptoms much better. You're more creative. You problem solve faster. You become the hero in your company because you can find solutions like no one else. And there are so many more and more and more benefits. And here's the kicker. It does not have any adverse side effects. It's all just benefit, 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 no side effect. Would you take that pill? It's kind of a no-brainer if you think about it. Of course I would take that pill. Well, that pill exists and it's meditation. And just 10 minutes of meditation a day gives you all of those benefits that I just mentioned and so much more. Congratulations, everyone! You just meditated!
A huge misconception about meditation is that you can't be thinking to meditate. Meditation is actually training, quieting, and focusing of the mind.
The same way that you go to the gym to work out your muscles, you sit in meditation to work out the muscles of your brain.
I try to meditate and I keep falling asleep. What do I do?
Which one is better? Meditating in silence or with music?
Another common obstacle that people have is their leg falls asleep when they're meditating, or their hips start to feel numb. Aside from quieting and calming your mind, there's actually physiological changes that your body goes through when you begin to meditate for just 10 minutes a day.
People who meditate improve their anxiety by 60%. They reduce symptoms of PTSD by 73%. Blood pressure is reduced by 80%. I'm doing it wrong.
It's hard for people to commit to a new habit.
I don't want to stop thinking.
It feels like a waste of time.
I feel overwhelmed. I don't know where to begin. We are so proud of you for making it all the way to the end of this training. And until next time, we hope that you live with peace and love in your heart.